with all this information and understanding quantum a little bit more, we going into another generation, right? And Dave, from working in technology and IT, you work with a lot of computing and all of that and how it functions today. But quantum computing coming in, what the disruption that it's going to bring to the market? How our businesses will look different? What will happen when this will come to our everyday life or bigger Fortune 500?
Sure. So we briefly went over the different aspects of different properties that are exciting. Some of the reasons we went over that superposition and entanglement. How does that relate to your current environments or current technology? When you start looking at superposition, that's probably one of the examples you could use is machine learning and processing data sets. So that allows you to look at the data in a different way and process those large amounts of data, which is, as everyone knows, the amount of data that's growing, that's being used and being consumed by your average person is growing at a very fast rate. So it's going to come to a point where you're going to need something to process those large amounts of data sets. So that's one part, and that's why we're trying to highlight superposition. That's a good segue into where you would leverage it, machine learning. Entanglement and that correlation that Glenn was talking about, that there's a good use case around the encryption. And we're actually going to have Mark come a bit later, he'll talk about encryption, but he'll talk and elaborate a lot greater than I will, but that's a good use case for encryption and to be quantum safe. So that's where entanglement comes into play, to protect your network and also to make sure that you can put in those new encryption